Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are fine? Had your breakfast? Ready for today's GK class? So, hey, we have completed. How many topics we have already completed? Yes, 4 topics we have already completed. We learnt about human organs, herbs and shrubs, shapes and patterns, sources and uses of water. Next, we are going to learn about climbers and creepers. Climbers and creepers. Today, we will learn about climbers. Next class, we will learn about creepers. Okay, children? For climbers, how many of you have seen a climber? Climbers are plants which climb up the trees or other tall objects. They grow around the trees. They have weak stem. Their stem is very weak, so they are not able to stand straight. They depend on other objects, trees or stick for them to support and grow around them. We'll see some examples for climbers. Okay, the first example for a climber given in your book is grapes. Okay, grapes. You all have seen grapes. You would have eaten grapes. How many of you have seen a grape plant, at least in pictures? Okay, grapevine. They say grapevine. They have weak stem. You can see in the picture. They keep sticks or rods for the vines to support and grow. They grow around the stick that is placed. Okay, and they put thread or rope for the vines to hang. So grapes is a climber. Grapes is a climber. Okay, so you should be able to say grapes is a climber. What vegetable is this? How many of you like this? Some of you like to eat this. Most of us don't like this vegetable. Bitter gourd is a climber. Okay, similar to grapes. They keep sticks, big sticks, and using the help of the sticks, the bitter gourd grows around and climbs and produces flowers and vegetables. Okay, bitter gourd is a climber. Bitter gourd is a climber. This is bitter gourd. This is bitter gourd. Shall we go to the next one? What vegetable is this? How many of you have seen this? Even I have not seen this vegetable. If you look at the shape of the vegetable, it looks like a bottle, right? It looks like a bottle. So easy to remember. The name of this vegetable is bottle gourd. The name of this vegetable is bottle gourd. Okay, bottle gourd. This is also a climber. Bottle gourd is a climber. This is a bottle gourd. This is a bottle gourd. How many of you have seen this vegetable? This is a ridge gourd. The name of the vegetable is ridge gourd. The name of this vegetable is ridge gourd. It is a new name. I want you to learn the name of the vegetable. Ridge gourd is a climber. Ridge gourd is a climber. You can see the vegetables hanging. Okay, this is a ridge gourd. This is a ridge gourd. Ridge gourd is a climber. Ridge gourd is a climber. How many of you have seen this vegetable? Most of you would have seen this. When your mother gets this vegetable next time, ask her to show you. Okay, this is a snake gourd. The name of this vegetable is snake gourd. Okay, snake gourd plant is a climber. You can see the snake gourd hanging. Okay, it has a weak stem. So using another tree, another strong tree, the snake gourd plant climbs and produces flowers and vegetables. Snake gourd is a climber. Snake gourd is a climber. looking at the shape you can say, right, it looks like a snake. It is long and thin and it resembles a snake, from where the name comes. This is snake god. This is snake god. How many of you have seen this vegetable? You all are familiar with this. Ask your mother to show you. Okay, your mother will be able to show you when she purchases a pea next time. This is a pea plant. This is a pea plant. Pea plant is a climber. Pea plant is a climber. You should remember all the climbers have thin and weak stem. Okay, so they need support. They need a support to grow. This is a pea plant. This is a pea plant. Pea plant is a climber. Pea plant is a climber. Shall we go to the next one? How many of you have seen this plant? This is a crotons. This is a crotons. Okay, crotons are ornamental plants. They keep in the house to decorate the house. There will be no flowers or fruits or vegetables. Okay, just leaves, and you can see the color of the leaf with different shades of green and yellow mixed. Okay, most of the trees have green leaves. Ornamental plants have colorful leaves. You can see shades of yellow in the leaves, and it looks very beautiful when you keep it in the front of the house. It gives a pleasing look for the house. Okay, this is money plant. This is money plant. You can see the stem of the money plant. It is very thin. It has a weak and thin stem. This is money plant. Money plant is a climber. Money plant is a climber. Money plant is a climber. We'll go to the last climber given in your book. This is bean plant. You all have seen beans. I hope you all are familiar with beans. Beans is a vegetable. It is green, long and thin. This is bean plant. Bean plant also has weak and thin stem. It needs a support to grow up. Even to get sunshine, it needs to grow up. So it uses the support from other big trees or sticks which are kept for the plant to grow. So this is bean plant. This is bean plant. Bean plant is a climber. Bean plant is a climber. So we have learnt about climbers today. We learn about creepers in the next class. Okay, you cannot learn everything in the same day. We learn little by little in each class. So you should not forget about climbers. Okay, climbers. Now take your books and turn to page number 55. Turn to page number 55. We'll recall from the book. You look at the pictures in the book and recall the climbers that we learned today. Okay children, page number 55. Shall we recall the climbers that we have learnt? Okay. Can you see? Is it clear? Okay, what is this? This is grapes. This is grapes. Grapes is a climber. This is bitter gourd plant. Bitter gourd is a climber. Bitter gourd is a climber. This is bottle gourd. You can see the shape of the vegetable like a bottle. This is bottle gourd. This is a ridge gourd. You can see the ridge gourd hanging. Ridge gourd is a climber. Ridge gourd is a climber. This is snake gourd. This is snake gourd. Snake gourd is a climber. Snake gourd is a climber. What is this? This is pea plant. This is pea plant. You can see the peas hanging. Pea plant is a climber. Pea plant is a climber. What is this? I told you, crotons, ornamental plants which you keep for decorating the house. This is money plant. This is money plant. You can see shades of yellow and green. It looks very beautiful. And the last one is bean plant. You can see beans hanging and you can see the stick. Okay, with this stick the bean plant grows around it and produces flowers and vegetables. Okay, this is bean plant. So today we have learnt about climbers. I want you to learn the names. Some names are familiar to you, some names are new to you. Okay, so you will learn the names of climbers and you should be able to identify the name if I give you the picture. Okay children, so be attentive in the class, study carefully so that you will do your exams well. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.